Yes, Massive and crew back once again with another video. We are at Sheffield. It's 1 o'clock in the morning.
It is absolutely throwing it now.
And we're going to get ourselves over to Off My Nut or whatever you call it. Let's go and do this. Yes, Massive and crew back once again with another video. I just want to say big up to everyone in Sheffield. It was a wicked night, absolutely banging. Also shout out to everyone in Huddersfield. We had the dub plate business out there. That was wicked as well. We saw a dub plate machine. And just want to say, man, I've been, excuse me people, but I've been going non-stop for the last 2 days. I did my set up in Sheffield. That was a 6-hour drive. Big up T came with me. And had a good time doing that, and then got home and decided to, because we got home so late, must have been about 6 o'clock in the morning, decided to literally ride the day out, went to see some family, took my family out and about, and for those of you who don't know, my daughter Hannah, she's having a baby, so I'm going to be a granddad, and that's brilliant. But just as I was saying good night to her, she's staying down with us at the moment because obviously we wanted to have the baby, be around when she has the baby. Wanted to have the baby in London. She went into labour last night, so we was up with that, and went down to the hospital, and yeah, come home, got a few hours sleep, and I've got to go now to the studio. To my print shop to go and print some screen printing t-shirts, because I've got to go and screen print some t-shirts because there's nobody else that can do it in the building. We are looking for screen printers, by the way. If anybody out there who can actually screen print, holler at your boy. And that's it really. Just want you guys to know, man, it's real things out here, man. Real people working hard, grinding round the clock, real lives. You know what I mean? It's not a fake thing. You know, this is it, man. We get in the studio when we can, and we get rest where we can. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to give you guys a heads up, say big up, thanks for everybody's support. I've not really been uploading much recently. When I say uploading much, I have been uploading all the stories and stuff, but I haven't been uploading many tutorials and stuff like that, obviously, because we've been focusing on the stories and there's limited time available to do this sort of thing. So guys, that's a heads up, and just also announcing, going to be a granddad, man. I'm over the moon about it. I'm sure once I get my energy levels back it will show, and yeah, big up.